Assalamu alaikum. My topic today is how to use vocations. Vocations have started, and every student is now thinking how to use the vocations. Here are some views from my side. When you want to use your vocations profitably, now, first thing, when you are free with the exams, you should try to sit with yourself. This is the most important time a person should take out. We sit with our friends, family members, and others. That's also very important. But the time you spend yourself, not with a mobile phone, not on a social media, this is the best time you have to pass. Sit with yourself for some time, think about your past events, your activities, exams, results, and other things you did, and just take a self analysis. This is the first thing you should do. That's really helpful. Then, obviously, exams are over, and one section of the life is over, another section is coming up. Career planning is another very important thing. Many people talk about it, many people read about it. This is really important. The world is changing so rapidly that every few months we have a new situation. AI is the most important game changer right now. So study about it, take some courses, how it is going to affect the future jobs, etc. Then you can take some internships. They are really helpful in banks, in any organization, in any engineering complex, wherever you get a chance. Internship actually gives you a real life exposure, which is not common in courses, syllabuses. They talk about theory, but when you go in a real office, you learn how to interact with people, what is office politics, how the people submit their work, etc. These internships, even if they are free, no salary or nothing, still they are really helpful. Then, another very important thing, take some time to travel. It's not necessary that you go for a very expensive tour or international. You can travel for shorter distance also within the country. Travel actually gives you an exposure. You meet new people, you actually leave your house for a few days. So it's a big change, really contributing. What I say in the end, that invest in yourself first. People talk about big careers, big salaries, lavish lifestyle, etc. That's fine, that's a part of good dreams. But remember, the most important investment is that which you put in yourself, your educational degree status, your knowledge, your wisdom, your consciousness, etc. That development has no match. It is the best. Thank you.